Hey, welcome back. Today is day 2 of my 3-day training series here. In today's video, we are going to cover the funnel centric model. What this is you need to find or buy traffic. You can take out ads, you can do whatever you got to do to find this traffic. You send this traffic to an opt-in page. Where you collect a name, you collect an email. You then send this traffic to a training, aka sales page. Where they have a call to action. Then we go to a checkout where you get paid your commission. This is the next step in funnel building that was being taught back in the day. And then they improved on this by adding an auto responder which builds your list. And what this does is allows you to send emails basically wherever you want back to the sales page. What you need to do here is you need to introduce tracking so that you know who came here. You add tracking and you add tracking. You tracking? So that you know the people that came to this page, you know the people that made it to this page, you know the people that made it to this page. So that the people that made it to this page and made it to here but never did this, you can send these people back over here. Now, if you're really a super cool marketer, what you're gonna do is you're gonna throw in here some VALUE, some value, VALUE, some value videos where you can send these folks. Now you'd be super cool. And yesterday I was teaching how you could do all this for free. This is far from free because these funnels, you got to go to a funnel building company, and that's a monthly subscription. Tracking is a monthly subscription. Autoresponder is a monthly subscription. Paid PAID traffic cost money. So you can see this model here gets very expensive. Only if you're failing. There are people who are crushing it with this model. There are funnel building companies that give away plaques for $1 million, $5 million, $10 $10 million. I think there's a plaque for $100 million in sales. But I think what those people have in common is they have their own product that they've created. Let it be a series of workouts or a series of training videos on how to speak online. Maybe it's a YouTube course or a video course. People creating their own courses and stuff. However, for the majority of people trying to sell affiliate products online, this is a very, very difficult model. And by the way, this also requires a domain name .com that costs money. If you want to sell 5 products, you got to go times 5. Now you got to go times 5, times 5, times 5. Well, no, the autoresponder is not times 5. You just create a new list within your autoresponder and you're good to go with that. So we'll give you some savings right there. And this is a funnel-centric model. This is what the rest of the world is doing. Now, what we want to do is not what we want to do, it's what we are doing. But we'll save that for tomorrow. People that have bailed out of this because they just can't do it have gone to, I believe they call it a tree, and they stack offers in this tree. They send these folks to their tree, and now you can pick and choose whatever it is you're selling. Maybe they've gone through here. I don't know. I've never built myself a tree. I'm never gonna build myself a tree because I have a much better solution. I do not own a funnel company, so I do not know the statistics of this. But if I had a guess, and I took a pie, and I took a slice of this pie, I would say these are the people with success. And I take another slice of this pie, say these are the people with ultra success. And I take another piece of this pie. This is a big ass chunk right here. And we're gonna call this failing. Shh, nobody talks about these people. These are the people on this slice of the pie that have quit. They call this, these folks call this a scam. They say we're nothing but spammers. They say we're just out here picking pockets. It's not true. They haven't been taught how to do this the right way for the little guy trying to become a big guy. So, this, my friends, is a funnel-centric model. Unless you have your own product, again, there are people crushing it. These folks right here are crushing it. These folks right here. This piece of the pie, crushing it. But nobody talks about these two groups of people. And in my opinion, I think there's a lot of them. If you are in this group, or in this group, or in this group, and you're watching this video right now, you need to see tomorrow's training. because tomorrow's training blows this all out of the water. Yeah. Some people, the owner of these companies, making do-re-mi with the people that are crushing it. Tomorrow, we're going to show you something you've never seen before. Tomorrow, we are going to introduce you to the King of Kings, which is why it's on top. The hub-centric model. This is not a funnel, but it has a funnel. It has multiple funnels. It has all the funnels in the world. And guess what? One domain name. Everything's under one domain name. One funnel, 5 funnels, 10 funnels, 20 funnels, 50 funnels, 100 funnels, one domain name. Building you a brand. That's tomorrow. Thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your time. The funnel-centric model. Day 2, Jim's training. Now you know why. I was not a school teacher. A lot of you people are like, what is this guy talking about? See you in my next video. Bye for now.